Welcome back, guys. It's Tracy with a Y. I finally got sponsored by Temu. Finally. Just kidding. I can't wait till the day, though, that I get sponsored by Temu. Anyways, I had told you back that I'd ordered this stuff back when I was doing my out front. Not out front, my gazebo. So, I've been saving it to open with you guys. It's empty. I got two things full. Let's see. I don't know if you guys order from Temu, but I like some of their stuff. It's usually hit or miss. This looks like, okay. This is kind of cute. It's an outdoor, it's a solar light. You know I love lights. I love Christmas, period. So anything that has lights reminds me of Christmas, and it's my favorite. But I'll have to do a video at nighttime or just do a quick clip so you guys can see what it looks like at night. It's kind of cute. I mean, it's not fabulous, but I think these were like $5.99 maybe. Not real expensive, but I'll do a video this evening so you guys can see. But it's a solar light, and it comes with a thing to stick in the ground. So when I get off here, I'll go out and put these out so the sun can get to them. Sometimes they are already lit, you know. Not lit, but charged. Lit. Looky there. It's blue, red, and green. Let me turn off the light. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Let me turn this off too. Okay, you ready? Aww. Kind of sweet and tacky at the same time. I like it though. These are good things to have at our camper because the wind beats everything to death, so. But I like it. I like it. I'll put this in here. And you stick it in your flower bed. We're getting new rocks. New gravel. Not gravel. We're getting a new driveway too, but we're getting new rocks. Okay, so this is, I got 3 of these. So I think I got 1 for here and 2 for my camper, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe the opposite. 2 here and 1 for the camper. I don't know. But I do like these. These are cute. And I can't remember exactly how much everything was because I ordered it like 2 weeks ago. This packaging looks scary. This is a solar wind chime light. I always kind of order things, and if they're really good, then I'll order more. But if not, then of course I won't order anymore. Okay. This is a solar light too. Okay, it doesn't come with the hook, but it spins too. Okay, let's see if we can get it to do it. Let me turn the lights off. Is there on? Oh, there's an on-off switch. Wait, that was on. That might be bad. Oh yeah. Can you see? And then it changes colors. These were kind of cute. I was thinking these were like $12, so I only ordered 1 of these. Let me see if I can turn this off. There we go. These are kind of cute. I like it. I like it. I'm easily impressed. Anyways, I don't know if you guys have ordered from Temu, but I tend to like their stuff. Their butterfly stuff's really good. Okay. So let's take everything out. I bought flowers to maybe, I tend to kill flowers. Actually, this is mostly flowers. These are wind socks, and I will sell these. I usually display a couple at the pool store, and you wouldn't believe the people that stop by and say, "Where did you get that?" So I ordered a couple to hang out and then a couple to sell. Not a couple, probably. So I'll display one of each. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have about 7 to sell. And then the rest is just their wax flowers, which kind of look cheap, but I like them. This away. And the ferns aren't, these ferns I thought were bigger than this. So I was wrong. Wrong. Okay, let's open this first. So with any plant, when you, not plant, but any flower, when you get it, you just want to spread it out a little bit. Zhuzh it some. And then, I think this one's the one I got to like mix and match and put in a planter. I'm going to need a lot of those because they're pretty sparse. Let me get up close. And they're just like a waxy material. They're cute. They're cute from far away. How about that? I also glue these in wreaths too. So here it is in the yellow version. Flowers fell off. So probably what I'm going to do is, and I'll show you when I'm not doing it today, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. I'll do like I'll take a picture or something and put it, but I'll probably put it in styrofoam in a container, like this. And I usually put ladybugs outside, so the ladybugs are red, but I won't be able to put them out until after Josh does our driveway. Not driveway, flower beds. He's going to put new tarp down and new rocks, or add more rocks. So this is not bad. It's just kind of like one of those things, they look better from afar. They actually look better on camera than in person. But I've used these many times. Not this exact style, but I have used it. We lost a flower. Here, he goes over here. And you can always just hot glue these back on. So don't throw your little flowers away. Or you can glue these little ones in the center of a bow if you want to. If you want to. But I got like a variety of colors. And then I'm going to, like I said, put styrofoam and try that. Here's like a purplish pink. And then I have some dark purple or violet purple. There's that. And then I thought these ferns were bigger. So I guess I could mix and match the ferns inside. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Here's this. And these weren't very expensive at all. These were very, very reasonable. I think I got all of this for under $100. So you would do something like this. I can't wait till the day till I start getting sponsored by different companies. I'm excited for that. If and when it ever happens, it will happen. Speak positive, Tracy, speak positive. So then, let me show you. So this, I'm just making a bouquet. I'm just weaving them together. Like so, like that. I think that's cute. Springy. So there's that. And these I love. I use these in wreaths all the time. Wait, this one was different. I forgot. This kind of like cascades. I've never had this. So, which I like. Oh, it comes in a pack of 2. So this you would, wish I had a planner right here somewhere. So you space these out a little bit. And these would also be good. I'll take you in the living room and we'll do something. I'll show you something. I don't know if it's a mess in there or not, but when I say a mess, I don't mean it's a mess. Juju just has toys everywhere. So like that. Isn't that pretty? I do like these. These are like orange. Yeah, they're orange. And these are the same thing. I got 2 orders of these. There's 2 in a pack. And these are 2 of the same thing too. So I'll just open one and show you. And I love these. And I'll show you what I do with these. Like if you had a mantle or something, you could take several of them, not just one, and weave them through. It would be really pretty. This is a 2-pack. So these are kind of like, I don't know if they're not roses, but, and they are just plastic, like waxy plastic. And like I said, they look better from afar than up close. But I'll take you in the living room and show you what I would do with these. And I'll take one of these too. I'll show you. Okay, let me turn you off here. Okay. So like, well, let's go over here. Let me just drop you down a bit. All right, so what you could do with these, since they kind of cascade, you could go like this. Is that not pretty? Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it a lot. Watch this whole thing fall. Maybe like this, maybe. And then you could just build it all the way across. You could also use it as on a table runner. And what I usually do with these, as that just fell, I'll usually go like this, like stick it like that, and do a couple of them together, make it fuller, and go like that. But I love this. I mean, it don't really match because it's Easter stuff, but like that. Let me show you up close. Isn't that pretty? And then down there, of course, I already have some table placemats, but I will do that with yellows and blacks for, I do bees in the house in the summertime. So after Easter, I'll put bee stuff out. Anyways, I think that's really good. I really love it. I'll probably order more of those cascade ones. I really like them. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. There's sweet Maggie. She's asleep. Thank you for watching. And go out there and order you some Temu. And it won't be long till I'm sponsored by them. So be prepared. Anyways, like, share, and subscribe. Watch the video to the end. And comment. comments really, really help me. I prefer nice ones, but whatever. Anyways, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.